In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a personal loan from PNC Bank. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, make a significant purchase, or cover unexpected expenses, a personal loan can be a helpful financial tool. So let's dive into the process and make sure you have all the information you need to successfully apply for your loan. First and foremost, you'll want to gather all the necessary information before starting your application. Having everything prepared can save you time and reduce stress during the process. You'll typically need your social security number, address history, and one valid photo ID, such as a driver's license or a passport. Additionally, make sure to have your income information handy. This includes recent pay stubs, W-2 forms, and employer details. Lastly, if your goal is to consolidate existing debts, you should gather details on your current debts like creditor names, balances, and payment amounts. Being organized with all this information at your fingertips can make the application process smoother and more efficient. Once you're ready, it's a good idea to see if you pre-qualify for a loan. While this step is optional, it's highly recommended. Many banks, including PNC, allow you to check if you pre-qualify before you apply formally. This can give you a better understanding of the loan amounts and interest rates that might be available to you without affecting your credit score. After pre-qualification, it's time to move on to filling out the application. You have several options to submit your application: online, over the phone, or by visiting a branch in person. Choose the method that is most convenient for you. Be thorough and make sure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. Submitting a complete application is vital to avoid any delays in the review process. Next comes the review and approval stage. This is where PNC Bank will assess your application. They'll take a close look at your credit, employment status, income, debt-to-income ratio, and your credit history. Banks use this information to determine your credit worthiness and decide if they will approve your loan request. If your application is approved, you'll need to sign the loan agreement. This step formalizes everything, so be sure to review the terms and conditions carefully. Once the documents are signed, the funds are typically dispersed, and you will have access to the money from your loan. Finally, you'll start repaying the loan according to the agreed schedule. Generally, personal loans require monthly payments until they are fully paid off. PNC offers several repayment options for your convenience. You can make payments online, via the mobile app, through automated payments, over the phone, by visiting a branch, or even by mail. Following these steps can help you navigate the process of applying for a personal loan with confidence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.